Stocks are mostly higher this morning. As I speak to you right now, the Dow is just below the flat line, with the Nasdaq and the S&P up almost 0.25%, and the Russell is up 0.87%. Retail sales in the UK were much worse than expected, as were their employment figures, which were released later in the morning. Business confidence in Australia, however, was slightly better than expected. U.S. yields are dropping right now, down 2 basis points on the front end and 4 to 5 basis points from the 5-year yield on out. U.S. China trade talks, nothing concrete so far. Commentary out of the talks, however, is cautiously optimistic. The officials are seeking breakthroughs on rare earth and tech export controls first, and markets are hopeful but fearful of lingering tariffs and supply chain disruptions if negotiations fail. U.S. CPI is due out tomorrow. Markets expect May CPI to rise about 0.2% month over month and about 2.4% year over year, with core up 0.2% month over month and 2.9% year over year. The Fed rate cut outlook remains steady, with markets pricing in 4 rate cuts through the end of 2026 as I speak to you right now. Looking ahead, we get a 3-year note auction this afternoon and a speech by President Donald Trump at Fort Bragg. It is possible he addresses the unrest in Los Angeles. Earnings today. After the close, we get 2 companies with market caps of $1 billion or more. They are GameStop and GitLab. Before the open tomorrow, we get 3 more companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting. They are Chewy, SailPoint Technologies, and Victoria's Secret. Tonight, we have a speech by ECB President Christine Lagarde. Tomorrow morning, U.S. CPI that I spoke of, and a 10-year note auction tomorrow afternoon in the U.S. And then tomorrow night, we get Japanese BSI large manufacturing conditions data.